Your Keurig brewer is designed to brew the perfect beverage time after time, and you can be sure you'll always get the perfect beverage with a Keurig water filter. Be sure to check your Keurig water filter packaging to ensure you install the correct water filter for your brewer. We recommend changing your filter cartridge every 2 months. This process should take less than 10 minutes. Here's what you'll need: a cup, a Keurig water filter handle and water filter cartridge, and access to a sink. There are 3 parts to a Keurig water filter: the upper filter holder, the lower filter holder, and the water filter cartridge. Begin by soaking the cartridge in a cup of fresh water for 5 minutes. Then rinse the cartridge for 60 seconds. Now, rinse the mesh of the lower filter holder. Next, insert the cartridge into the lower filter holder. Then snap on the upper filter holder. With the reservoir empty, place the water filter into the reservoir and push down firmly until it locks into place. That's it! Your water filter is installed and you're ready to brew.